Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the temperature sensor in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new temperature sensor. The temperature sensor is located inside the fresh food compartment on the rear wall under the cover box. By changing its resistance value with the temperature change, the sensor allows the main computer board to control the temperature inside the refrigerator compartments. If the temperature inside the refrigerator is too cold or too warm, check the temperature sensor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. I'm going to remove a couple of shelves here. Lift up the front and unhook the rear end. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the single 1/4-inch screw that holds this cover box. And then I'm going to remove this cover box. So now we need to unplug this plug, and we're going to have the old temperature sensor out. Press down the tab, pull it apart. This is the old temperature sensor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, now I have here a new temperature sensor. I'm going to plug it in. Make sure the plug is locked. And I'm going to position it. And then we're going to install the cover and secure it. The cover has two tabs here that goes into these two holes in the wall. And I'll position it. So this cutout goes over that wire. So I'm going to place this over and lift up on this siding a little bit. Slide it in. And I'm going to place the tabs into these holes. Make sure that the temperature sensor is inside. Push it in. And now I'm going to secure it with this 1/4-inch screw. Alright, now I'm going to install the shelves. I'm going to place the hooks at the back into these cutouts. Push it down so they will lock, and then we can release the shelf. Same thing here. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.